A very good day to all of you. Hope you are all doing very well. Today we are going to make South Indian breakfast. And when we talk about South Indian breakfast, what comes into our mind is idlis and dosas. Yes, today we are going to make dosas, but with a variation, a healthy option. So we are going to add moringa leaves or drumstick leaves to the batter and serve these dosas also with moringa chutney, which is made with moringa leaves, coconut and roasted gram. So this combination is quite healthy and you should give it a try sometimes. So let's proceed to make these moringa dosas with moringa chutney. For the chutney, I have taken 1 cup of moringa leaves picked and washed, half cup of grated coconut, about 3 tablespoons of roasted gram, the ones we use for coconut chutney, and salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 1 small piece of ginger, and here we have crushed and preserved chillies. You can check out the recipe how I preserve them. It's easy for day-to-day use. You can just store them like this and use. And here we have tempering ingredients, half teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds and few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of oil. Transfer the moringa leaves into a pan and pour half cup of water. We are going to cook these for few minutes until the water dries up. It's better to take a wider pan for this so that they are done evenly and they get cooked faster. Give it a stir in between. Once they are done, cool them, remove them into a bowl. Now take a grinding jar and add all the ingredients along with these cooked moringa leaves. Make sure they are cooled properly before grinding the chutney. Now add all the ingredients one by one. Here goes the coconut. Chili level can be increased if you like it spicier. And same with the tamarind. I like less tamarind. You can add more if you like. Now grind them. There is enough moisture in the moringa leaves and the tamarind juice, so no need to add any extra water. There we go, grinding is done. This is how the texture should be, like dosa chutney, coconut chutney we grind. Remove it into a serving bowl. And a nice and delicious moringa chutney is ready. We are going to add the tempering now. Look at the lovely color and all the nutrition from moringa leaves. This is really a nice way to consume these healthy greens. Here we go. Check the salt and adjust if required. Even the tanginess you can add more if you want. Heat oil in a small pan, taking about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the mustard cumin seeds first. Once they crackle, add the curry leaves. Stir it into the prepared chutney. And your healthy and tasty moringa chutney is here ready for you. Now let's proceed to make dosas. Here I have taken moringa leaves, washed them well and chopped them a bit. add them to the batter as much as you want. Here I have taken 2 cups of batter and half cup of moringa leaves. This is ready-made batter. Nowadays it's a boon, we are getting very nice batter ready in the stores. But I will soon post also how to make it at home. Mix them well. The batter is ready. Now heat a griddle or tawa, spray little oil and wipe it with a tissue. This you have to do only for the first time. Pour enough batter on it and spread it evenly. Make sure that tawa is not too hot when you are pouring the batter. Otherwise you will not be able to spread it. This is a tip. You should always note this while making dosas. Then later on you increase the flame a bit, and when you see the bubbles forming, dosa has become nice and porous, then you can spray little oil. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can use a spoon. Now oil or ghee, whatever you like. We'll let it cook properly on one side before flipping it. One side is done. Now you can flip it. The same way you can even make dosas using other greens like amaranth, spinach. These days people have come up with fusion recipes also, like Italian dosa, Chinese dosa. This is really a versatile dish which you can make in many ways. Now dosa is done. Remove it, and the same way you make all the dosas with the remaining batter. Wipe the griddle each time you pour the batter, and make sure the flame is low and the tawa is not hot. So friends, I'm sure you're going to give it a try when you find some moringa leaves, this healthy version of dosas. This is also done. Now your dosas are ready. You can enjoy them with chutney for breakfast, or if you want to have a full meal, you can make all the other accompaniments like potato masala, sambar. This way you can have a full-fledged lunch. Do check out the other moringa recipes as well. I have posted quite a few of them. I'll be sharing the playlist in the description box. If you have tried out any of these recipes, do let me know in the comment section. And stay tuned and stay connected to see more interesting recipes on my channel. Do share the videos with your friends also if you like them. Enjoy your cooking and take good care of yourself. Sending you all loads and loads of love. Bye until next. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.